Today we'll see how to create a wall opening in Revit. In Revit, when you are applying a door or window, wall opening will create automatically. So here you can see I have a door, I have a window. When I'm hiding this door and window, I'm pressing Ctrl and select, right click, hide in view. I'm going to say by category. So when I hide the door and window also, the wall opening is still there. So this is happening because by default when you apply door and window, the wall opening will create. So to get the doors and windows back, what I can do, undo, or I should go to visibility graphics. I'm going to type VV, and here you can see in the list the door is unchecked, and go to window, check windows also, and you can say OK. Now the door and windows are visible. Okay. So, and in case if you want to create an opening like this, you can create in two type. With two method you can create wall opening. So we are going to learn how to create a wall opening today. So to create a wall opening, I need a wall first, right? I need a wall. So when you are double clicking the wall, you can see the wall profile. If you are modifying this wall profile, your wall also going to change. My wall is changing now. Okay. So to create an opening, you can directly put a rectangle or circle, whichever shape you want, and you can say okay. So that time what will happen, you will create a wall opening. Okay, here you can see clearly. So this is how you can create a wall opening. And there is one more method. For that, go to architecture. In the opening, here you can see wall opening. So here you have to select wall opening tool and select the wall, and then you can draw a rectangle. So here you can draw only the rectangle shape only. So rectangle or a square you can create. Thanks. Bye bye.